Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to extract an icon from a Windows exe file. For this, I will use a freeware tool that is known as Icon Viewer. I will provide the link in this video description so you can follow that. You can download this one file from this one website that is less than 1 KB in size. After downloading this one file, install it on your PC. Then locate the exe file from which you want to extract the image, I mean icon. Suppose you want to extract icon from Edge browser. So locate the exe file or shortcut file. Then right click on this one, select properties option. Then click on Open File Location button. Then again right click on exe file, select Properties option. You will find an additional tab that is Icons. You may find several icons. Select your desired icon you want to save on your PC. Just click to select it. Then under Device Images, select your desired icon size. Then click on this one Save button, Save As button, this one button. Select your location, name the file. From the Save As drop down, you can select BMP, PNG or ICO. To save image as icon, leave it default option that is .ico and then click on this one Save button. Now you will see an additional file on the selected location. To view, double click on the file and you will see icon has been extracted from your PC exe file that is visible on your screen. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.